a 2-hour ride.
Mama, can I be like this?
Alrighty, we'll now be passing over the Pemigewasset River for the first time on today's trip. On both sides of the train, you'll get a view of the Pemigewasset River.
You see it? You don't remember?
Wow!
We're going over the river on a steel truss bridge. This particular structure was built in 1928 by the Bethlehem Steel Company of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The name Pemigewasset is an Abenaki Native American word for swift current running through the forest.
I said forest.
The tracks you're riding on were laid down between the years of 1886 and 1888 by the Pemigewasset Valley Railroad Company. These tracks are a 22-mile branch line that starts in the town of Plymouth, New Hampshire, working its way north following the Pemigewasset River through the woods up to Lincoln, where we just departed from. The main purpose for building the line was to service the logging railroad in Lincoln, as well as the bustling mill industries that dotted this line. Passenger service was also offered for a time to grand hotels in the area.
It's so fun.
Yeah?
I'm not cold either. No, waterfall. Can we also play there? Or you could just look at it. I think I just saw a toy car. Another train or something? Or us? Us? I guess. I don't know, why do you like that? He's like,
Are you tired? You silly.
Kiss her. I'm feeling.
Come next time.
This one will scare me. It's even higher when I go on the bus. Usually it's this high, but now this is this high. So cool.